completing the cube from here. Right, so you got that complete face, 3 of them. Start with a complete face, 3 middle move. You put the red in the red, 3 middle move. So all you got now is 2 completed sides in that. This is 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12. Start with the 12 o'clock, 4 middle piece move. And from there, 2 3 middle piece moves. This is a 3 middle piece move from anywhere to matter. And that gives you that. You start from the blank surface, 3 piece middle move, and you cannot not, it's impossible not to complete the cube. Completed cube.